When to use the by Easy ESL English. What is a definite article? In English, the definite article is the. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. It indicates that the noun it precedes is known to both the writer and the reader, or has been previously identified, or is unique, and one of a kind. Example: the book on the table is mine. The sun rises in the east. When to use the. Specific reference: when both the speaker and the listener know what is being talked about, even if it has not been mentioned before. Can you pass the salt? Both people know which salt is being referred to. Unique objects: when there is only one of something. The earth revolves around the sun. Superlatives and ordinals. Superlative adjectives: the biggest, the best, the most beautiful. She is the smartest person in the room. Ordinal numbers: the first, the second, the third. This is the third time I've called you. Names of geographical areas. Names of seas, rivers, mountain ranges, groups of islands, canals, and oceans. The Nile is the longest river in the world. She has traveled across the Atlantic. Pluralized general nouns: when talking about a group of things or people as a whole. The elderly require special attention. The rich should pay higher taxes. Before certain proper names. Some countries have the as part of their name. The United States, the Netherlands. She's visiting the Grand Canyon. newspaper names, and the names of well-known buildings or works of art. He reads the New York Post. Before some adjectives. To generalize a group of people, usually when the adjective is a non-gradable adjective, like elderly, rich, or poor. The French enjoy wine. The young are addicted to social media. Before certain institutions. Names of families or institutions like school or hospital when talking about the purpose of the institution rather than the actual building. She is in the hospital. Before musical instruments. She plays the piano. When not to use the. The is often omitted before plural and uncountable nouns when speaking generally, and before proper nouns like individual mountains, continents, cities, and lakes. Coffee is popular worldwide. Not the coffee. Lake Michigan is beautiful. Not the Lake Michigan. Let's practice.